Have you ever dreamed about spending a holiday in Hawaii? Well, here's an opportunity to take an aerial view through Hawaii during the beautiful lights of Christmas. We'll take a quick flight around Honolulu during this beautiful time of year from sunrise to sunset. Enjoy the flight. Honolulu has been the capital of Hawaii since 1850. The King of Hawaii moved the capital from Lahaina to Honolulu to make sure it had a more central location among the islands. Honolulu has the tallest buildings and the most densely populated areas among the other cities in Hawaii. So sit back, relax, and enjoy where the sea meets the mountains in this beautiful paradise.